Hello everyone, I'm Adriana and I would like to show you how we have improved our Feature Migrator functionality in version 2024.1 of Graitec PowerPack for Inventor. So I'm in Inventor Professional 2024. I have the PowerPack for Inventor 2024.1 installed, and I will show you how this functionality has been improved in this version. So the Feature Migrator, just a reminder, is that it's a functionality that it's allowing you to migrate features that you have designed, you have modeled on top of an assembly and not in the part environment. So you use these assembly features in your assembly, and you did not use them in the part. So this Feature Migrator is allowing you to move all these features from the assembly to the part itself. In the first version of this functionality, we have allowed the migration of whole. So if I look here in the assembly, we have the 3D model, we have extrude, hole, fillet, chamfer, and thread. For this version, we have moved to sweep, rectangular, and circular pattern. So these three features have been added to the migration of this functionality. So I have here an assembly. It's a metal plate where I have added some features, and you also use some patterns, the rectangular and the circular one. So as usual, if you are in this assembly, when you click here on the Feature Migrator, you have first of all the settings. So just a reminder, what you do in the settings is basically how you set the actions for the features that are on assembly side, how to behave when they are moved from the assembly to the part. What will be the action for the features on the part side if you want to have a certain particular render style, if you want to transfer the construction settings like construction work points, work axes, work planes, and so on. And you can also choose to set those options for each feature independently. Yeah, so these are the settings you can do before using the Feature Migrator. So now when we click on this functionality, we will see that the Feature Migrator will scan the assembly and will list all the features that is finding it inside. What is important to have in mind when we use patterns like rectangular or circular, it's important that the migration to be done from the pattern and not to be done at the level of the pattern and not at the level of the feature that has been used to create the pattern. So for example, for this circular pattern, we have created a hole number 2, and this hole number 2 has been used to create the pattern. So what is happening is that if you migrate this hole, the circular pattern might be tricky and will not understand what is happening, where is this feature. Yes, so the best usage is to we recommend to start the migration with the pattern, and actually when you migrate the pattern, the hole will be also migrated, so together with the pattern itself. So let's see how it's working. So we have the circular pattern with the feature that was used for that pattern. We have the rectangular pattern. We will see that this rectangular pattern has been created using this hole number 1, and then we have the sweep. Of course, we have chamfer, fillet, and so on. So if I right click on this one, I said I'm sending it to parts, and we will see that at the level of the assembly, this pattern, and the feature that is used for the for the pattern is suppressed, and we can see also here. Now we can open this part and see what we have inside, and we will see that we have this circular pattern inside the part. If I go to the assembly again and I say okay, I want to migrate the rectangular pattern, I do the same thing, right click, send to part, and we will notice that also whole one will be migrated as well. And if I go to this this part, we will see that we have the part with everything that we have migrated. Okay, it's very easy and very intuitive to use. Now the same with the sweep part, the same, right click, send to parts, and we go to part 1 and we see that the sweep is also migrated here in the. So these are the novelties for the Feature Migrator in version 2024. I hope you enjoy in using them and create nice projects.